Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a cracked screen on your Surface Pro 7 and the touch functionality isn't working, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to drops or impacts that compromise the screen's integrity. If left unattended, it can lead to further damage, making it impossible to use your device effectively. Now, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a heat gun or hairdryer, a suction cup, a plastic opening tool, and a set of precision screwdrivers. It's important to work in a clean, well-lit area to prevent any mishaps. To begin the repair, ensure your Surface Pro 7 is powered off, and then use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the screen. This will soften the adhesive holding the screen in place. Once it's warm, carefully attach the suction cup near one corner of the screen. Pull gently while using the plastic opening tool to pry the screen away from the body of the device. Be cautious and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any internal components. Once the screen is lifted, locate the connector for the display. Disconnect it carefully by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. The cracked screen can now be removed and replaced with a new one. When placing the new screen, ensure it aligns perfectly with the device. Reconnect the display cable, pressing it firmly into place. Remember to handle all components delicately to avoid causing damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've replaced the screen, it's time to secure it. Apply even pressure around the edges to ensure the adhesive bonds well. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 7 to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, double-check the connections and ensure the screen is seated properly. To prevent this problem from recurring, consider investing in a sturdy case for your Surface Pro 7. Additionally, always be mindful of where you place your device to minimize the risk of drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.